on. Suzanne takes me down to a place near the river. You can hear the birds go by. You can spend the night beside her, and you know that she's crazy, but that's why you wanna be there. And she feeds you tea and oranges that come all the way from China. And just when you mean to tell her that you've got no love to give her, then she gets you on her wavelength, and she lets the rivers flow, that you always been her lover. And you wanna travel with her, and you wanna travel blind, and you know that she will trust you, for you have done her perfect body with your mind. And Jesus was a sailor as he walked upon water, and he spent a long time watching from his lonely wooden tower. And when he knew for certain only drowning men could see him, he said, "All men will be sailors then, until the sea shall free them." But he himself was broken long before the sky would open. He was courageous, almost human, and he said, "Beneath your wisdom, like a stone." And you want to travel with her, and you want to travel blind, and you think maybe you trust him, for he has touched your perfect body with his mind. Now Susan takes your hand, and she leads you to the river. She is wearing rags and colors from Salvation Army treasures, and the sun pours down like honey on Our Lady of the Harbor, and she shows you where amid the garbage and the flowers there are heroes in the sea. There are children in the morning. They are leading out the light. and they will remain that way forever. While Suzanne holds the mirror, and you wanna travel with her, and you wanna travel blind, and you know you can trust her, 'cause she has